To remove the main bezel, or dust filter bezel, first remove the access panel. Unlatch the 3 side tabs of the main bezel and rotate the bezel away from the PC. Some units will have a dust filter bezel attached to the main bezel. To replace the main bezel or the dust filter bezel in these units, pry the 2 bezels apart until they separate. If installing a new dust filter bezel, press and snap the dust filter bezel onto the main bezel until all edges on the bezels are flush. The main bezel has 3 hooked tabs on the right side and 3 tabs with cutouts on the left side, which fit over tabs and over alignment posts on the chassis. To replace the main bezel, align the hooked tabs on the right side of the bezel over their tabs, then rotate and press the left side of the bezel until the cutout tabs snap over their posts.